Hi guys, it's Katie. I have my meal plan for Meal Plan Monday here. It's a slightly unusual week because we have two meatless meals this week since we have Ash Wednesday and the first Friday in Lent for us. So we've been having meatless grain bowl. I just moved that instead of Monday, we moved that to Wednesday, and then Friday we had already decided to have pizza, so we are just going to keep it pizza and just not put any meat toppings. We'll just do veggie pizza. We generally have quite a bit of veggies on our pizza anyway, so we're just going to omit the pepperoni for this week. Alright, so I'll start at the top. Monday we're going to have pasta and meatballs. Last time I made meatballs, I made extra and I put them in the freezer, and they're all fully cooked and ready to go. And I got some jarred Classico sauce. I'm kind of interested in to see how it tastes because I've never had that before. I got it at Costco. So anyway, that's going to be tomorrow, or it's going to be tonight when you watch this on Monday. On Tuesday, we're going to have soft tacos. My husband wanted soft tacos, so I'll be making some tortillas. I'm going to hopefully do a food prep, so I'll show making those. I do have a sourdough tortilla recipe on my channel, which I can link down below. I'll have to see what my sourdough starter looks like to see if I'll do sourdough or just regular. And then we'll just do ground meat and toppings for that. Wednesday, this is going to be the grain bowl. I put this on last week's meal plan for eggplant, zucchini, and chickpea with the tahini dressing on a quinoa grain bowl, but I never ended up getting to the store to get the eggplant and the zucchini, so what I did is I used what we had, and we had a quinoa grain bowl with roasted broccoli and roasted cauliflower. I tossed the cauliflower in some curry powder, and I made this orange cumin vinaigrette that was really good. And I put some caramelized red onions on top and some avocado. It was really good. Actually, we'll probably be making that one again because it was a big hit with everybody, and I'll film it next time because it just kind of, all the components really meshed well together, I thought. I did take a short clip of when it was all done to put in my recipe highlights video that's going to be coming up soon, but next time I make it, I'll film like the whole process so you can see it because it was really delicious. So this week we're going to have what we were supposed to have last week. I already got the eggplant and the zucchini, so that is set already. On Thursday, I can't even read my own abbreviations. On Thursday we'll have kofta kebabs, that's ground meat kebabs, and chana masala. I have the chana recipe on my channel, so that's just spiced stewed chickpeas. It's a pressure cooker recipe, and like I said, I show how to do that in a video, a separate video. And then spinach, this is, I'll have to see if I can find the recipe. It's basically take fresh spinach and saute it down with some like coriander and lemon juice or something like that. It's really simple and it goes really well with this meal. Friday we'll have the pizza with the veggie toppings. I have a pizza sauce video on my channel if you want to see how to make some homemade pizza sauce. It's really good. I really like it. And then I'll make some dough, but I'll probably make that later in the week. Maybe if I can get my sourdough starter up and running, I'll make a sourdough pizza. Oh, I just remembered. I have an orthodontist appointment this week too. So yeah, I'll probably be eating scrambled eggs for the second half of the week. Yeah, pizza crust and orthodontist appointments don't go well together. Saturday was requested to have hot dogs and pasta salad, so I think somebody's feeling like summer. So this is going to be like Italian dressing, pasta, and veggies. That's how I do my pasta salad. And I got some hot dogs at Costco a while ago. They're in the freezer, and I'll probably make some buns for those. I might show you a new hot dog bun recipe. I know I talk about how much I love my hot dog bun recipe, but last time I made, I didn't have a whole lot of flour, so I used another recipe, and they were really good. So I'll show you another option for, it's actually a dinner roll recipe, but we used it for hot dog buns. It was really good, and then I made some more into dinner rolls. So hopefully I'll make that again, maybe this week or next week, and I'll share that recipe, film it in a separate video. And then Sunday we're gonna have albondiga soup. That's a Mexican meatball soup. The meatballs are made with half ground beef and half chorizo, so you can use like spicy chorizo. I usually use like mild chorizo since I'm feeding children, but it's really delicious, and the spices from the chorizo, when the meatballs cook in the broth, it makes the broth taste really good. It's like a chicken stock for the broth, but then it mixes with the meats, the chorizo and the beef, and it tastes really good. And there's some zucchini and onion and other things in there. I saw this recipe first on one of those cooking competition shows on Food Network like years and years and years ago, and we still make it, or I don't make it that often, but when I do, I'm always like, I should make this more often. It's really good. So I'll see if I can find the recipe. Like I said, it was from some competition show years and years ago, so I'll see if I can find it online. Otherwise, maybe I'll film this if I have a chance to film it and make a separate video. Okay, so again, I'll hopefully do a food prep. I have my prep here. I'm going to make pizza sauce, the tortillas, soak chickpeas, hopefully sprout them for the chana. Because I do make this chana, I make it from dried, whereas the other chickpeas here, I do have home canned, so I'll probably use home canned here and then dried here. And then what else? Oh, I got a bunch of avocados at Lidl for 49 cents. I got like 20 avocados. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen that, but I'm gonna freeze those and I'll share a few ways to use them because I'm really excited to have avocados on hand all the time. That's gonna be awesome. I love avocados, and having them, you kind of have to buy them and use them or be kind of on top of it or else they go bad, and they've been really expensive. So anyway, that is going to do it for Meal Plan Monday. Make sure you subscribe if you like meal plans because I'm going to be putting a new video up every Monday for the rest of the year with my meal plan, and whenever possible I'll do a food prep, grocery hauls, all those sort of things that go together. If you like that, subscribe to my channel because that's what we do here. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!